While running is a popular form of cardio, it can be especially hard on the joints. There are actually a ton of exercises to burn calories and help reduce fat that are even more effective than running. If you're looking to step up your workout routine, try one of these fat-burning moves. 1. Burpees. There are different variations of burpees. Some fitness coaches might require a push-up during the move, while others might skip it. But here are the common steps for performing a burpee. Squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of you, just outside your feet. Jump both feet back so that you're in a plank position. Drop to a push-up, then push up to return to plank position. Jump your feet back in toward your hands into your starting position. Jump into the air and reach your arms above your head. 2. Jump squats. We all know that squats are great for building strong legs and a toned booty. Jump squats are a high-intensity move that kicks things up a notch and help you burn fat. Stand up straight with your knees slightly bent and your feet shoulder-width apart. Squat down while keeping your hips back, your head facing forward, and your back straight. Jump upward and reach as high as you can with your hands as your feet leave the floor. Land in your starting squat position and repeat. 3. Jumping rope. If you haven't held a jump rope since you were a kid, it might be time to pick it back up. Jumping rope at even a modern rate can burn 12 to 16 calories a minute. It's a great way to get your heart racing, and let's face it, a lot more fun than running. You probably don't need a step-by-step guide, but don't forget there are a bunch of variations you can try. 4. Swimming. Ever notice how most swimmers have very lean physique? According to the American Heart Association, just 30 to 60 minutes of swimming 3 to 4 days a week can help individuals both lose weight and reduce health risks such as stroke, diabetes, and heart disease. 5. Dancing. Dancing is great fun, and it burns calories. Dancing burns up to 450 calories an hour. So next time you're in the club, hit the floor. Not only is this exercise super fun, but it's a major workout too. 6. Kettlebell swings. Kettlebell swings are perfect for torching calories and sculpting a lean figure. Start from the same standing position with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Hold the handle of the kettlebell in both hands with your arms in front of your thighs, palms facing in. Squat, keeping your chest open and back flat. Swing the kettlebell through your legs forward until it's high and parallel to your chest.